challenge is complete, so I'll give you a brief tour of what I've been up to redesigning my master bedroom over the past few weeks. First thing we did was redesign the layout of the space. So I removed a door that went from the kitchen into the bedroom, and it allowed for us to be able to add a board and batten detail. The installation was pretty easy with the help of Matri providing all of the materials and just a little bit of elbow grease to get it on the walls. And now it has a great architectural detail that was mimicked by existing architecture that I already had in the house. One of my favorite features of the board and batten is what I like to call the donut that I wrapped around the sconces on the wall that were created by my friend Allison of the blog Deuce City's Hen House. Once the door to the kitchen was gone, we added an additional door to give access to the backyard. It provides a lot of natural light, and the door that was made by Pella was designed with architectural details from our house in mind, with the same dimensions as our paneling and some other windows in the house, so it looks seamless with our 1915 Craftsman, even though it's a brand new door. A lot of the hardware is original, but when we added a new door, I wanted something a little more modern, so MTech provided the Mormont mortise lock with a beautiful matte black knob. I painted the room with Faro and Ball paints. The board and batten is mole's breath, the top part of the wall is ammonite, and the doors and the window sashes are off black. The bed is from Article, and I love that the spindles don't block any of the natural light that comes in from the window behind it. The bedding is from Pom Pom at Home, and it's a beautiful linen with an oversized throw at the foot of the bed. The pillow on the bed is made by my friend Erin of Cotton and Flax. She designs beautiful fabrics, and she custom made this one in this size just for me. The nightstands are from Room and Board, and they're stained a really deep color on natural ash. They are solid wood, and they are made in Wisconsin, right? Yes, Wisconsin. My nightstand has a lot of different accessories, including a drawing by the artist Caitlin Metz. It's a blind contour portrait of me and my husband. Ross's nightstand has boxes from Bellecour for him to hide all of his things, which he tends to just hide electronics in. Also a few of his favorite books and a painting that was done by an artist when, back in the day, I posed nude. This beautiful 100% wool vintage rug is from eSale Rugs. House of Antique Hardware is one of my favorite resources for reproduction lighting, like these push-button switches and new sash locks. The other artwork in the room are some of my favorite pieces. They are all from Minted, Cherish, and Gray Malin. All the artists are linked in the blog. The full-length metal leaning mirror is from Overstock, and it is a welcomed addition for adding extra light to bounce around and for checking ourselves before we walk out the door. The dresser is from Hedge House Furniture, and it is a very beautiful solid walnut piece that is definitely going to be an heirloom for years to come. The planter on the dresser is made by artist Jill Rosenwald, and she creates custom ceramic pieces. The lamp on the dresser is from Lamps Plus. It has a ceramic base and a large ivory shade that makes perfect evening lighting. The shades are from Select Blinds, and I've layered Roman shades on top of solar shades so I can adjust the lighting as it changes throughout the day. As soon as we added an exterior door, I knew that our backyard needed some help. So we added a deck to accommodate the new door so that we could safely walk out. We also added a light from Lamps Plus overhead in a nice classic gooseneck style. We had a small patch of mulch and grass and weeds that we weren't using, so it was the perfect spot for two love seats from Story Modern. They're a beautiful black and white finish that make all of the greenery and flowers pop against them. The rug and some outdoor pots and accessories are from Bellecour, and they help ground the space and cover up some of the weeds that are underneath. The poof adds extra seating, and I really love that it mimics the style of leaded glass that we have in our dining room. The raised veggie bed we got as a wedding gift, and it's the perfect accent to create a little bit of a backdrop for the new seating area, and I'll be able to make a mojito with that mint one day, now that the one room challenge is over. Earlier in the one room challenge, I removed a bunch of conduit, which provided all of our exterior lighting. So as soon as that disappeared, it got really dark, and then Kitchler came to the rescue with some exterior lighting. So we added path lights and some spotlights to create nice, moody backyard glow. I also got a lantern from Kitchler that is wireless and LED, so I can pick it up as I wander throughout the backyard and move it around for a party, or if I wanted to tend to the veggie bed after dark. It also has Bluetooth speakers, so I can play music or podcasts while I'm outside. I think that about covers it for my one room challenge makeover. Go back and watch my other 4 videos showing the projects that I took on. Head to the blog, thegoldhive.com, where I share step-by-step tutorials and product sources for the whole room. Also be sure to go and check out the other one room challenge makeovers. There are 20 featured designers and over 200 guest participants, so there is lots of inspiration at oneroomchallenge.com. Is that it?